Ever feel like your Instagram feed is a little too crowded, but you don't want to permanently ditch those old memories? Today, I'm going to show you how to declutter your profile by archiving posts, and then bring them back whenever you want. First, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile here. You'll see all of your posts. Pick the post you want to archive. Once you're viewing the post, tap the 3 little dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu will pop up. From this menu, select the archive option. Poof! That post is now hidden from your main profile grid, decluttering your page without deleting it forever. Now, to find those archived gems, tap the 3 horizontal lines or the Hamburger menu in the top right of your profile page. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Archive. Tap on that. You're now in your archive. By default, it shows your posts archive. If you want to see stories, you can tap the drop-down at the top and select Stories Archive. To unarchive a post, simply tap on the one you want to bring back. Again, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of that archived post. This time, you'll see an option called Show on Profile. Tap that. And there you have it. Your post is back on your profile, visible to everyone again. This is perfect for managing your content and keeping your profile looking fresh while holding on to all those precious moments.